In this video, you'll learn how to send BNB from Binance to your Metamask wallet. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to ensure a smooth transfer of your cryptocurrency. Begin by opening your Metamask wallet. If you have set up a password, enter it to unlock the wallet securely. Once you have access, ensure that the Binance Smart Chain network is added to your wallet. You can verify this by clicking on the network drop-down at the top of the Metamask interface. After confirming the correct network, select your BNB account, then copy your wallet address by clicking on the address field. Make sure to double check that you have copied the correct address, as using the wrong address can result in the loss of your funds. This step prepares the destination for your BNB transfer. Next, navigate to the Binance platform, log into your account, and locate the wallet option, usually found in the top menu. Click on wallets to access your asset overview. From here, find and select the withdraw option. In the withdrawal section, choose BNB as the asset you wish to send. You will then need to paste the Metamask wallet address you copied earlier into the designated address field. It's crucial to select the Binance Smart Chain network carefully to avoid any issues with the transfer. After pasting the address, enter the amount of BNB you want to withdraw. Review the transaction fees displayed on the screen to ensure you are comfortable with the costs before proceeding. Once everything is correct, confirm the withdrawal. After initiating the withdrawal, you will want to track the transaction to ensure it arrives in your Metamask wallet. You can do this by using a blockchain explorer that supports Binance Smart Chain. Enter your wallet address or the transaction hash to view the status of your transfer. Wait for the necessary confirmations to be completed. Once the transaction is confirmed, you can return to your Metamask wallet and refresh your balance to see the updated amount of BNB. It's also wise to save the transaction hash for your records in case you need to reference it later. If the funds do not appear after a reasonable time, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance. Avoid making repeated withdrawals until the first transaction is confirmed to prevent confusion. Following these steps will enable you to successfully send BNB from Binance to your Metamask wallet. Always ensure you are using the correct network and wallet address to avoid any potential loss of funds. It's also beneficial to monitor your transactions carefully for prompt resolution of any issues. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.